Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Well, we had an interesting night of trading coming off of Friday. Now, Friday we went up and tested the 1363 level, and that rally was sold, basically consistently throughout the afternoon into the close. We went up as high as 1351, which was the daily pivot that I posted to subscribers last night. My pivots are up this morning on the Topstep website. They should be up on the front page there. We hit 1351, and somewhere the bell rang as the sell rally bell. We did 1351. We went down around 45, made a lower high at 48, and they took the 48s down basically as low as 1335.75. So two fairly reliable levels have been broken in the overnight: the 1342 to 1343. And then the 1339 swing low from last week. We've lost both of those. The current trade is 1340, so it's really testing that 39 level as resistance above. So we're down 10 handles, about 0.75%, and the overnight trade has been weak. All that said, we are, we're certainly going to get a bounce today. I wouldn't be surprised if the 1351, 1352 level got retested, but I think you really have to be of a mind that rallies have got to be sold. On the daily chart, we're down around the lower Bollinger Band. You've got to expect some kind of a retracement here up to around the 50 or 20-day exponential moving average, which is coming in around 1370. Now, that's not going to be a one-day thing. That may be the course of a few days with some fits and starts in between, and there's a lot of economic and geopolitical headlines we're going to have to maneuver through this week to make that happen. But I do not recommend getting super bearish and jumping in and selling weakness when the daily chart is punching below the lower Bollinger Band. That's selling weakness. We don't sell weakness and we don't buy strength. That's the two things that we always say in the I Am Pro chat room, and it served us very well, for the number of years that we've been in there. So try not to get too bearish, be looking for a bounce, but as I said, those rallies really need to be sold. Let's do support and resistance. Current trade 1339.75. On the upside, 1344, 1347, which is your 100-day exponential moving average, 1351 to 1352.41, so that's a double pivot zone, and above that I have 1358. On the downside, you've got to look at the low at 1336, then 1333, 1327, and 1323. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader from Mr. Topstep. Trade them well, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Webcast.